In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the new page button in a Notion database view on your dashboard. If you want your Notion workspace to look cleaner and more controlled, this is a very useful little setup. The idea is simple. You'll keep the original database view on a separate hidden page, then display that view somewhere else so the dashboard stays tidy and the new page button is no longer visible in the way you might normally see it. Start by opening the Notion page that already contains the database view you want to use. This should be the version of the database that has the layout, filters, sorting, and properties set up the way you want. Before moving anything, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that this view looks exactly right because this is the version you'll be referencing later. Next, move the original database or the linked database view, if that's what you're using, to a separate hidden page. This hidden page acts like a source page. It keeps the original view out of sight while still allowing you to reuse it elsewhere. A hidden page can simply be a page in your sidebar that you don't use as part of your main navigation, so your dashboard remains uncluttered. Once that database view is on the hidden page, copy the link to that specific database view. Make sure you're copying the correct link because you want the exact view you just prepared, not just the general page link if that would change how it appears. Then go to the location where you want the database to appear, such as your main dashboard, and paste the link there. In some setups, Notion may give you different paste options. If needed, choose a synced block. This helps preserve the connection to the original content so what appears on your dashboard reflects the source correctly. After that, go back to the source page where the original database view is stored. At this point, the main setup is already done, and now you're just adding a final layer of protection to prevent accidental changes. Lock the source page. This is an important finishing touch because it helps make sure the original database view isn't edited or rearranged by mistake. Since this hidden page is serving as the foundation for what appears on your dashboard, keeping it locked makes the whole setup more stable. Finally, return to your dashboard and check the database display. Confirm that the new page button is hidden the way you expected. If everything was set up correctly, your dashboard should now look cleaner, with the database visible but without that extra button showing, and that's it. This is a simple but effective way to make a Notion dashboard feel more polished and intentional.